Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect your Amazon Kindle 11th generation to Wi-Fi network. And to do this you'll need to click on the three dots in the top right corner of your screen, open up the settings, here go for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, click Wi-Fi network, add and remove and view available networks. Here you can select any network that you have the access to, and I have this one. Now enter the password if a network is protected by one. Click on connect to establish connection, and now you should be connected to that specific network. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.